The waveform here is a sine wave, or more specifically 3 sine waves, and the question asks to convert all 3 signals below to the S domain. Time is in milliseconds. Okay, I've taken from the table what the sine wave would be in the S domain. So from this, it should be pretty straightforward. The only thing really that is needed to be worked out is A. As sometimes it's expressed as A, and other times it's expressed as omega. And omega is simply 2 pi f. So what's needed to be calculated here is f. F can be found from the period because it's 1 over the period. Okay, taking the green waveform, the period runs from 0 to 3.2 milliseconds, remember? Milliseconds. Okay, so this is 1 over 3.2 milliseconds. Okay, so one divided by 3 milliseconds is 312 hertz. So that is equal to 312.5 hertz. Okay, omega is therefore 2 times pi times frequency which is 625 pi. Okay, so the f of t is equal to sine, I could put omega t or at, which in this case is sine 625 pi. And the Laplace of this ft is equal to 625 pi divided by s squared plus 625 pi squared.